ultimate goal of any high-volume laundry today is to produce clean, attractive goods at a reasonable and competitive price. Various methods are used to achieve this goal, each with different degrees of success. Greater washroom production is dependent upon dilution, the simple act of using water to remove soil from goods. Reducing the laundry's operating costs is dependent upon resource conservation. Water, fuel, chemicals, and labor must be preserved to reduce cost. As you can see in this chart, cleaning goods has historically focused on the components of time, temperature, chemicals, and mechanical action. But these elements could only remove soil if water washes it away. That's dilution, using successive baths, each replacing the dirtier water with cleaner water. One very effective way to achieve dilution is through counterflow, water moving against the direction of the goods. Valuable water is reused over and over. Counterflow allows maximum dirt removal, even with heavy soil or mixed goods, at minimum water use. Conventional washer extractors achieve dilution by a series of dumps and fills with fresh water. This allows the ideal wash, but uses a lot of costly water and heat. Tunnel washers use some dumps and fills too, but also achieve dilution using counterflow, water moving in one direction against the flow of the goods. Here's where high-volume washing systems, each with different types of dilution, begin to vary. Washer extractors, using dumps and fills for dilution, deliver nearly ideal wash quality. However, they can consume high levels of water and fuel to heat the water, and are labor-intensive. Bottom transfer tunnels were an early attempt at continuous washing. They use an Archimedean screw to carry the loads forward along the bottom of the machine. But they carry the dirty water forward as well. That's the wrong direction. Even with counterflow, they cannot achieve effective soil removal. Newer partial flow tunnels use solid partitions and shelves throughout the washer in an effort to provide complete batch separation. However, counterflow is impossible in these zones, resulting in poor dilution and diminished wash quality. The dirt and wash chemicals are carried forward, along with the linen, with no dilution at all. Later dumps and fills cannot remove all the contaminants without using excessive water. In 1979, Milnor introduced its CBW Top Transfer Continuous Batch Washer, which uses counterflow throughout. It dilutes in each module like one dump and fill in a washer extractor. But because the goods are lifted out of the dirty water and transferred over the top of solid bulkheads, Milnor gets the equivalent of a second dump and fill. Milnor removes dirt twice as fast. Milnor needs fewer modules to wash better. That's the Milnor difference. Let's review the comparisons again. A Milnor Top Transfer washer delivers high wash quality like a washer extractor, but it saves water and labor and washes faster. The Milnor CBW system also uses counterflow to conserve water like a bottom transfer tunnel. However, its top transfer design carries far less dirt forward during the transfer, giving better batch separation, higher wash quality, and faster results. Milnor's top transfer provides excellent bath separation with counterflow throughout the tunnel. This provides a higher level of dilution than in a partial flow tunnel for faster washing. The Milnor CBW top transfer concept has been proven over the last 25 years in commercial laundries worldwide. The Milnor CBW washes all types of soiled goods, faster, better, and at a minimum cost to the user. Let's look at how well these systems remove soil and how fast they do it. A washer extractor uses many dumps and fills to remove virtually all the soil from the goods. A Milnor CBW washer uses both counterflow and top transfer to achieve similar wash quality, but saves most of the water and washes faster too. Bottom transfer tunnels also use counterflow to save water, but they take more time to wash because they carry the dirt forward with the linen. They also mix baths uncontrollably. Partial flow tunnels abandon counterflow in most of the machine and thus depend on dumps and fills to remove dirt away from the goods. They use more water and can still allow contaminants to remain with the goods. Because Milnor washes most like a washer extractor, It also has the ability to wash any kind of goods, even heavy soil goods. We've talked about top transfer of goods, but only Milnor delivers true top transfer. Here's how Milnor's top transfer looks. Watch how it will lift the goods out of the water and drain them here before sending the goods to a cleaner bath. Look how much water was left behind. Now, again, in slow motion. What makes up true top transfer? First, a perforated scoop to lift goods out of the dirty water and deliver them to a much cleaner bath. Second, solid partitions between each module to provide complete separation between loads. No perforated bulkheads or sliding seals to leak. Third, external flow of water between modules, providing precise control of flow, temperature, and wash chemistry at all times. And, most importantly, Milnor allows counterflow throughout the washer for the highest possible wash quality with the least water used. There are other important reasons why the Milnor CBW washer can wash so well, so quickly. Milnor offers both tall ribs and plenty of space inside every module. This combination lets the goods move about freely so wash fluids can penetrate them quickly and thoroughly. This reduces the time to achieve great results. Milnor builds its CBW washer in sections so that modules can be added in the future to increase production as needed. Modularity of design makes it easier to squeeze a Milnor CBW washer into a tight building. Milnor control systems allow incompatible and heavy goods to be processed seamlessly. Process decisions are made automatically. This makes it easy to take advantage of the CBW washer's vast capabilities. Easy-to-read displays make it simple to program wash formulas for highest wash quality. But a Milnor CBW washer is just the first step toward a completely automated washroom system. Goods cleaned in the Milnor CBW washer must have the remaining water removed before moving on to finishing stations. Downstream extractors and dryers do that job. Milnor offers two different ways to mechanically remove water from the goods without using costly dryer heat. Milnor's membrane press uses high pressure behind a strong, flexible membrane to squeeze water from the wet goods. It is an extremely rugged machine and features a range of programmable pressures for compatibility with many goods types. The Milnor press effectively processes any type of linen. It is particularly effective on all cotton or cotton polyester blends, but easily handles 100% polyester goods as well. To remove water pockets in tightly woven goods without bursting, the pressure can be programmed to rise more slowly. Those goods can also be specially multi-tamped to remove entrapped water pockets before full pressure is applied. The Milnor membrane press is compact, versatile, and strong. A thick, solid steel platform supports the pressure system and is linked to a similar solid steel bottom plate by 4 oversized steel columns. It is built to last. Milnor also offers a second means of removing water from the goods, the Milnor centrifugal extractor. This fully automated device spins water from the goods by means of centrifugal force. It can also process any type of linen, but works especially well with 100% polyester textiles like vinyl mats and certain table linens. It is also great for blended uniforms and bed sheets. The extractor's ability to remove water gently and efficiently also allows extraction of multi-filament goods, spun poly, or healthcare barrier cloth without causing wrinkling or damage. Mats are also processed quickly and efficiently in a Milnor centrifugal extractor. Extract speed is carefully controlled to avoid damage from water pocket bursting. Single motor inverter drive gives precise speed control and reduces electrical demand. Dynamic braking also shortens turnaround times. Milnor's unique airflow path makes Milnor automatic pass-through dryers much faster and more efficient than any competitive machines. Fewer dryers are needed to do the same task. Permanent seals maintain peak efficiency at all times. This minimizes dryer fuel without constant seal replacement. The permanent tilt of Milnor's dryer sends the heavier damp goods to the low end by gravity. The abundant airflow lifts the goods and high turbulence swirls the goods through the hot air. That adds up to faster cycles with lower energy usage. Gas models can get over 3 loads of linen supply terry an hour. Milnor's patented permanent seal helps maintain maximum efficiency over time. Competitive dryers use seals that run across holes in the dryer basket. They wear out quickly by a cheese grater effect. This lets valuable hot air escape around the sides of the basket. The Milnor seal rides on a polished, unperforated band around the drum, so it won't wear away. This keeps Milnor dryer efficiency high, even after the dryer has been in operation a long time. Customized materials handling systems are also built to rigid Milnor specifications. These shuttles, conveyors, and other devices can move goods quickly and efficiently through a laundry, managed automatically by Milnor control systems. Milnor CBW systems have been proven in successful commercial and institutional laundries worldwide. The company's experience and expertise in the field has set the standard for dependable, high-quality, and efficient linen goods processing. Satisfied customers have made Milnor the market leader. Only Milnor consistently outperforms its promises. In summary, the Milnor True Top Transfer CBW washer using water-efficient counterflow saves more labor, water, and fuel than the others, and it washes faster and better too. These important advantages have improved thousands of Milnor-equipped laundries all over the world.